Good morning, traders. This is Joanne with Succeed in Forex. We are bringing you the news out of Switzerland this morning, January the 9th, 2008. The future markets are pricing a 50 basis point cut in the Fed's overnight rate. The U.S. dollar slipped on Tuesday as a sharp drop in U.S. stocks added to the concerns about an economic recession and raised prospects of a deeper Federal Reserve interest rate cut this month. Chances are good of a 50 basis points reduction in the U.S. interest rates to 3.75 at the Federal Reserve's January 30th meeting, especially after the largest U.S. home mortgage lender, Countrywide Financial Corporations, saw its stock slump 27%. And that is even though the company is denying that it is facing bankruptcy. Investors also got further reminders of troubles in the U.S. housing market from data showing pending sales of existing homes falling to 2.6% in November. Boston Federal Reserve President said on Tuesday the U.S. housing market was headed for its worst performance in 50 years, and the drop in the home sale prices could accelerate this year if the economy weakened. The federal funds futures contracts are pricing in a roughly 74% chance of the 50 basis points reduction in the Fed's benchmark overnight lending rate at the end of the month, while a 25 basis point cut has been fully priced in. A steeper cut by the Fed would erode the dollar's yield advance over the euro, with the European Central Bank expected to leave rates unchanged on Thursday and stick to its hawkish inflation outlook. Some analysts said that the growing inflation pressures would prevent the Fed from acting aggressively this month. The yen slipped during session as the price of gold bullion surged to a new record high of $881.10 yesterday and $891.40 today. And crude oil prices recovered from a 3-day fall, encouraging investors to borrow in the low-yielding Japanese currency to buy the two commodities. Those trades, which were inspired by the commodities market, pushed the dollar lower against the Australian currency, which raced to a session high of 88.40 before ending up at 87.94. That concludes our news for today from Switzerland. We hope you are finding this information helpful in your trading. And we would like to also invite you to check out our website at www.succeedinforex.com, and also come by and join us at our Yahoo forum, which is also Succeed in Forex. Have a great trading day, and we will talk to you tomorrow.